Hello, the peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Don't forget, your 10-question packet is due on Monday. You do not have any homework from the workbook tonight. Take your packet home. Continue to work on it if you have not finished it. Also, just a friendly MSA, Mr. McGrath will do after-school tutoring tomorrow. A little bit of tutor time. Hope to see you there. Don't be square. Please take out a piece of graph paper. I'm going to ask that you draw a coordinate grid on your graph paper. As always, go right 10, go up 10, go left to -10, and go down to -10. Once you're done drawing it, I'm going to ask that you grab the stapler, staple it into your notes/homework spiral, because we're going to do some notes on it. I'm going to pause the podcast. You pause the podcast. Draw your coordinate grid, staple it into your notes/homework spiral, and then you can unpause the podcast, and we will move on momentarily. BRB. Alrighty, guys, you can write this in your spiral, or you can write it on the piece of paper with your graph. It's up to you. We are going to do lesson 4.5 today. We are going to graph linear equations using what's called the slope-intercept form. Alrighty, a quick review. We talked about graphing the linear equation with the push or riding lawnmower. That would be if you made your t-table, you put x and y, and then you put 0, 1, and 2 for x, and you plugged and chugged. You can do it that way, just a little bit of work. That's your push or walk behind lawnmower. We also talked about graphing the linear equation with what we call x and y intercepts. OMG, Mr. Phillips. There's a reason why I'm not a language arts teacher. LOL. We said if you're going to do it this way, you put 0 question mark and then question mark 0. It is faster. That's like mowing the yard with the riding lawnmower. Now, we are going to graph a linear equation today the new way. Ta-da! Yeah, you see this little kid here? He missed his bus, and he's running to catch it. It'll make sense in just a minute. Alright, so if you would, either in your notebook or on your piece of graph paper, if you would graph the linear equation, write the linear equation y equals 1/3 x plus 1. And then write slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is the official name of this type of graphing. But Mr. Phillips, he's a little short. How can I describe it? I'm a couple French fries short of a Happy Meal. Yes, that's how I would describe myself sometimes. I'm a couple French fries short of a Happy Meal. So instead of calling it the slope-intercept form, Mr. Phillips, crazy math teacher, is going to call it the rise out of bed and run to catch the bus method. See, he's running to catch the bus. I told you it would make sense. Alrighty, so official name is slope-intercept form. Crazy math teacher calls it rise out of bed and run to catch the bus method. If you would, on your paper, please write the equation y equals mx plus b. Please write the equation y equals mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form. But remember, the crazy math teacher is going to call it rise out of bed and run to catch the bus method. Why do they call it slope-intercept form? It's very difficult. M, that's right people, is your slope. B is your y-intercept. So get it? You have a slope and you have a y-intercept. It's hard. Slope-intercept form. See, slope-intercept. Alright, so here we go. Pretty easy. Here's our equation. Y equals 1/3 x plus 1. If you would, draw yourself a reminder that the slope is the fraction the number that touches the variable x. Slope is the fraction or the number that touches the variable x. The y-intercept, that is the number that's behind the x. Y-intercept, the number behind the x. Alright, so here we're going to go. Step 1, make yourself a note. Step 1, you're going to plot the y-intercept first. Step 1, plot the y-intercept first. So right here, peeps, that's my y-intercept. It's behind the x. It is positive 1. So you are going to go to your graph, and you are going to put a dot here at positive 1. Positive 1. Now, I like to tell silly stories because I am a little bit off my rocker. So you can pretend that your house is right here, positive 1. Pretend your house is right here at positive 1. Step 2, start at your house and plot the slope. Step 2, write it down, start at your house and plot the slope. So remember, your slope touches the x. So my slope is 1/3. So look, remember, he's a spy. Yes, spy. So this is a positive. So I'm going to rise. I'm going to rise because he's positive. 1 space. And I'm going to run 3 spaces to the right. I'm going to rise 1 space, and I'm going to run 3 spaces to the right. As long as he is a spy for the positives, you will go up, and then you will go right. If he's a positive, you'll go up, and then you will go right. So we're going to start at our house. We're going to go up 1. So I'm going to start at my house. I'm going to go up 1. Now I'm going to run 3 spaces to the right. I'm going to run 3 spaces to the right. And you're going to pretend that you catch the bus right here at this point. So you get out of bed and you run to the bus. But guess what? You overslept. Yep, you know what that means. Life stinks for you. And the bus left. So we're right here now. The bus is pulling away. You're looking like this peep right here. Ha ha ha, it's all over Facebook. Have fun. So what do? You go to the next bus stop. You go up 1, 1, 2, 3, and you run 3. So visual people, I went up 1, and then I ran 3. I went up 1, and I ran 3. Now you caught the bus at the next stop here. We're good to go. Now a couple of you are going to say, oh, well, how come I have to do that? Why can't I just get out of bed and run diagonally? You can't run diagonally. You know why? Because there's people in the neighborhood that have ferocious dogs in their backyard. You have to avoid the dogs. So that means you can't just run through people's backyards. You have to go down the street and around the dog. Down the street and around the dog. Then you should be able to connect your dots with a line. I put arrows on both ends. There's my equation. Y equals 1/3 x plus 1. Notice my y-intercept is right here at positive 1. I went up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. Finally caught the bus. This should make sense if you remember our podcast from the other day where we talked about a positive slope. We talked about a positive slope. Put the pieces together, peeps. Pay attention. We're almost done. We said that 1/3 was a spy. He's a spy. He's positive. So that means somehow, some way, your line has to be going up and to the right. This is a positive slope. All right, thanks for watching this podcast. We'll practice it some more. It's not that bad. Remember, slope, intercept form, rise out of bed, run to catch the bus. I'm running to stop the clock. See ya.